we fail if we don't have a plan. If we don't have a clear plan, what's going to happen is we're either going to overspend, or even worse, we might underspend and even underperform what we could really do. And so part of what we have to do is we've got to get very clear on where we're going. If we don't have clarity about our end objective, what's going to happen is we're going to kind of wander around aimlessly. And so the opportunity that we have is that we can create a clear plan with goals, targets, and key performance indicators. And so when we do that, we've got a framework that we can move in and out of, and we can assess how we're doing, we can assess where we need to make adjustments, and we can make those modifications to stay on target and in our timeline for hitting our objectives.